I'm really pleased to be here now to present two winners, actually, for the 2019 award in the Environmental Project category. The first is the East Bay Municipal Utility District. That's known over in our area as East Bay Mud, which isn't a great name for a water provider, but still, we all understand. And so they're winning this award for their resource recovery program. So in 2002, East Bay Mud began an innovative resource recovery R2 program that accepts high-strength trucked-in waste for conversion to biogas using anaerobic digesters. So unlike traditional waste that East Bay Mud treats from within its service area, the waste attracted through this R2 program come from various locations in the Central Valley and Northern California. So as a result of getting all of this, this high-strength trucked-in waste to turn into biogas, they each year more than 200 million gallons and more than 50 million pounds of waste are diverted and accepted at East Bay Mud to generate renewable energy, in turn reducing reliance on other non-renewable energy sources and eliminating over 8,000 metric tons of carbon dioxide equivalent emissions per year. It's quite an achievement if you understand all that, but yeah, it is really quite an achievement. Accepting the award for East Bay Municipal Utility District is the other elected official who's here tonight, Doug Linney, who is a member of the Board of Directors of East Bay Mud. It is a great pleasure to present this to you.
Thank you, Barbara. So this is a team effort, so I'm going to ask everyone from East Bay Mud who's part of this to come up here, because I know they're here this evening. It's very exciting to be here. I think almost as exciting to win this award is to see the other innovations that have been happening in other parts of the Bay Area. I think that the name should maybe be changed from the Business Environmental Awards to the Business Environmental Innovation Awards tonight. But we're extremely pleased to receive the Actera Award for Environmental Projects and honored to be selected. I believe this award is reflective of a number of policies and efforts at East Bay Mud that have been cultivated over many years. One of East Bay Mud's core values is stewardship, including the stewardship of our precious water resources. We have also been trusted to manage for the benefit of our ratepayers. Part of our mission statement includes, quote, to preserve and protect the environment for future generations, and we take that very seriously. This led to East Bay Mud's sustainability policy, which states that we will manage all of our operations sustainably and reduce adverse impacts to the environment wherever possible. East Bay Mud's Resource Recovery Project is a natural outgrowth of these values and policies. The Resource Recovery Program utilizes excess digester capacity to convert commercial and industrial food processing waste into biogas and renewable electricity. As a result, our wastewater treatment plant was the first in Northern California to be a net energy producer and export significant amounts of renewable electricity to the grid. As you saw, that means we're powering the entire wastewater treatment plant by the inputs, the waste inputs that come to the plant. Pretty amazing thing. And not only that, we're generating excess that we can sell and make a profit at. The district's resource recovery program is a model for other agencies to transform waste products into valuable resources. It is a significant trend that recovers resources, reduces greenhouse gas emissions, and generates revenue to offset rising wastewater treatment costs. Our many district employees work together to develop and continuously operate the program. I'd like to acknowledge some of those tonight. On my right here, from the operations staff, Assistant Shift Supervisor Ken Ma and Operator Jason Lee. From the Resource Recovery staff, Senior Civil Engineer John Hake, our new star, Associate Civil Engineer Michael Hyatt, Environmental Health and Safety Specialist Colin Moy, and Wastewater Control Representative Morte Mendoza. And for management, our Wastewater Treatment Director, Eileen White, and Manager Alicia Chakrabarty. Thank you all for this. While the board sets the direction and guides the agency on greater sustainability, it's the creativity, ingenuity, and perseverance of our incredible staff that make good things like the resource recovery happen. On behalf of the entire board, I want to especially thank the East Bay Mud staff for their dedication and hard work to make this happen. And I want to thank Actera for recognizing our work and for the work of others in this room that help us to create a more sustainable and climate-friendly future for generations to come.